Some very promising news for people battling terminal breast cancer. There's a new drug treatment that may help patients live longer. The study published in the New England Journal of Medicine finds patients lived an average 6 months longer than those who used traditional chemotherapy. Nichole Berlie has the story.
Extending the lives of patients battling breast cancer is now possible, a new study shows, thanks to a new treatment.
The average survival for people who received the trastuzumab deruxtecan, this targeted therapy, was about 6 months longer than those who received more traditional chemotherapy.
The Cleveland Clinic is one of several institutions who took part in the research published Sunday in the New England Journal of Medicine.
What the study found was that for these individuals with HER2-low metastatic breast cancer, compared with standard chemotherapy, the novel treatment delayed the time before which the cancer would progress or grow by about twice as long.
For me, it made a difference. You know, it's given me at least 2 years. I'm hoping for a little while longer.
Initially diagnosed in 2010, then suffering a recurrence in 2020, this Cleveland Clinic nurse practitioner went from encouraging patients to join clinical trials to taking part in one herself. And she hasn't looked back.
My daughter's getting married next month, so I'm really happy that I was able to, get this far. When I was getting the chemotherapy, I was more negative, pessimistic, and now I just have more hope.
Hope for a broader group of patients, now with more of life to look forward to.
For those who have advanced breast cancer, which is generally considered to have very low chance for cure, now have another treatment that can help to control the cancer, but also to help them live longer so that that next treatment advance can come along.
Severe complications, including death, were reported in the study. Nichole?
All right, Maya, thank you. Well, a new rectal cancer trial has achieved results that are astonishing. The total remission of cancer in all of the trial's patients. The trial was small, just 18 people who were treated with a new drug called Dostarlim. They all entered the study thinking that further treatment like chemo, radiation, or surgery would be necessary. But to everyone's surprise, it wasn't. Not only was there no trace of cancer, but none of the patients experienced any serious side effects.
Thank you for watching. Go to newsnationnow.com to find NewsNation on your television provider. And don't forget to click the red subscribe button below to get more of NewsNation's fact-driven, unbiased coverage.